Audio Jungle.
This is High-Tech News TV News. Scripting a monumental journey, historian V. Sriram and Lakshmanan document the 60 years of Blue Cross in their book Memories and Milestones, which was released by Honorable Mr. Justice P. N. Prakash, former Judge of Madras High Court and former Special Public Prosecutor, National Investigation Agency, in the presence of Mrs. Menaka Sanjay Gandhi, animal rights activist, and Mr. A.L. Somyaji, former Advocate General, Government of Tamil Nadu, who also received the first copy of the book at a function held in Chennai. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. Chini Krishnan, the co-founder of the Blue Cross and the Prani Mitra awardee from the Indian government for his lifetime of animal service, shared that running of any organization for 60 years was difficult, but running an organization in the animal welfare field a Herculean task. After that, Dr. Krishna said, much of the work done would not have been possible but for sympathetic listener in Parliament. Till 1987, the Blue Cross was a volunteer group with 24/7 ambulance services driven by off-duty Indian Airlines pilots. Of course, it helped that both my parents were pilots. My mother, Usha Sundaram, was India's first woman pilot and the pilot of the Mysore Maharaja's luxury aircraft VTA-XXR. Had the honor of the privilege of flying Sardar Patel on this mission, the unit states from the Indian Union. Even today, we are fortunate having a group of professionals who have donated their time, efforts on a purely honorary basis to look after much of the administration and special project like our the Great Indian Dog Show for the Indias and non-pedigrees. This ensures the donations received by us are not eroded by the administrative expenses. After that, please do visit our website www.bluecrossofindia.organization.